Hello guys, this is Key Johnson. Welcome back. On this video, I want to take you on a trip down memory lane. I'm going to share with you some offers that I did when I joined the network back in 2012, show you proof of payment, and show you how to submit a missing credit request. So here we go. So August 29, 2012, I joined a network called Instant Rewards Starter. This was my first introduction to the program, and someone referred me to the program. I did a little bit of research, and within a day, I decided to go forward with it. Why not? So I joined Instant Rewards Starter. This site pays you $20 every time you bring someone to this page and they do an offer. It's an easier page to complete because the people only do one offer, 1 to 2 offers. So I did my one offer, August 29, 2012. I completed hydroxytone, worth 1 full credit. Once I completed that offer and earned my 1 full credit, I got a congratulations, you met the offer requirements. So you get that green bar once you are complete with the application, and you also get your referral link, which is what you'll send out to people to earn your $20 payments. Now, I joined a few days later another network called Instant Rewards 80. Now, just like the title, you earn $80 every time you bring someone to this page and they do their offers. So a few days later, on August 31st, 2012, I did these 5 offers: Absolute Raspberry Ketone, Young Woodworkers Kit Club, Equifax, YouthFX, and Grant Money Now. And these offers all build to 1 full credit. And as you can see, I earned my credit indicative of this green bar that says congratulations, you met your offer requirements, and my referral link. So between the starter and the 80, I had an opportunity to earn $100 for bringing people to the Instant Rewards program. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of proof. Now, whenever you have someone go through your referral link and they do the offers, you come up here to order. Right here, left click order, and you'll have a prize that you can submit to be processed, okay? These are some receipts of prior payments that I've received courtesy of Instant Rewards. They sent my money to my PayPal account, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. Also with the starter, I'll come up here to order. I'll left click order. And you'll see $20, $40, $20, $40, $60. And the reason why some of these are doubled or tripled is because I had multiple people that day that went through that site. So I got cashed out higher payouts, okay? Now, moving forward, I'm going to log into my PayPal account. This is live, by the way. Nothing is Photoshop. So I'm logging my PayPal account, and I'm going to actually show you that the payments did hit my PayPal account, and I was able to spend the money accordingly, okay? And I have a PayPal debit card, MasterCard. I can also withdraw the money out, and I use it to pay bills or food, shop, what have you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in Instant Rewards. I'm going to let this load a little bit. And I'm going to type in Instant Rewards. I'm going to hit search. And I'm going to change the date to 2012. And it's going to go back through the database, and it's going to find all those payments that I've received courtesy of Instant Rewards. Okay? So it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. It's going to take a moment because it's going back several years. Well, it's going back to 2013. Let me just do that. Instant Rewards, and I'm going to hit search. And here we go. So we'll just go back to January 1st, 2013. Payment here for $93, one here, 101, one here, 192, one here, 75, 94. Now I also earn downline bonuses or downline earnings. If my team makes money, I get 5% off of their production. So the numbers are actually higher, okay, than the money, okay, that you get. If your team is performing well, you get bonuses, okay. 85 right here, 104 right here, 140 right here, back to 104 here, 203, 94, 81. So these are all payments. I can click on a payment. For example, let's do 203, June 20th. Instant rewards, you're going to see pay by instant rewards, the transaction ID highlighted here, the amount here. And so we love that, okay? Now, I'm going to share with you, going back to the instant rewards starter, okay? Now, you all will be part of Instant Rewards Gold, so don't get confused and think that you have to do starter and 80. I'm just sharing with you the networks that I joined back then before there was even Gold available. So let's, for example, for me, I do hydroxytone, and for some reason it doesn't appear. I know I did the offer, I know it went through on my credit card, and I have an email confirmation that's saying I did the offer, but for some reason there's a disconnect in communication between the offer and Instant Rewards giving me my credit. So if you do an offer and you don't see your grade, there is a perfect way to resolve that. It's called a missing credit request. So this is what you do. You go to your Instant Rewards and you click on support. And when you click on support, you have an option to send in a missing credit request. Now, if you have any issues, you can live chat with someone in this box and they'll help you out. But what you'll do is you'll click support and come down here where it says click here to submit missing credit request. I'm going to walk you through the 3-minute step process of sending in a missing credit request. This is the brief form that you see. It's literally 4 boxes, and then you submit it, you're done. And then within 24 hours, Instant Rewards will resolve the matter and they'll give you your credit. Sometimes mistakes happen, but sending a missing credit request can help you get graded for your work. So what you'll do in this first box is you'll come down on the drop down menu and you'll find your offer, hydroxytone. Let's say the date you completed it was August. For me, it was the 29th. So I'll go back to the year, I'll go back to the month, and let's say it was the 29th. Now, the confirmation email. A lot of people don't know what a confirmation email is. A confirmation email is basically your receipt. It's the email, it's the source code that shows that you did do the offer, and that will allow Instant Rewards to go ahead and give you your credit. So if you are using Yahoo, and I'm going to show you how to find your header if you're using a Yahoo account, I'm going to show you how to find your confirmation email header if you're using your Gmail account. So I am a big fan of Yahoo, so I use my Yahoo account to create my Instant Rewards profile. So what you'll do is you'll log into your Yahoo account, you'll type in hydroxytone, okay? Now you can search for it in your inbox. And every time you shop online, you get a receipt that's some evidence that you did the offer, okay? So I'm going to go back to the 20 hydroxytone. I'm going to sort by date. Now it's loading right now, so I'm going to give it a moment. Okay, right here it says your order has been shipped, tracking information. So I'm going to left click on that. Okay, and this is my receipt or confirmation email. Okay, I'm going to spread this out. Now, what you'll want to do is once you locate the email, the receipt of the offer, you're going to come up here to where it says more and left click where it says more, and you're going to see a drop down menu for view full header. Left click view full header. So that's what you want, is the header. All this mumbo jumbo HTML code is what you want to highlight, and it's really important. You can drag and drop your mouse, or you can right click, select all, and then right click again for copy, and then you're going to come back and you're going to paste that header there. And then in the details, you could put, this is my header for hydroxytone. Please give me credit. Okay, and then hit submit. And your credit request submitted successfully, and give them 24 to 48 hours, and they'll go ahead and give you that credit for that particular offer. Okay. Now, if you have a Gmail account, I'll show you how to do it with your Gmail. You come back to support. All right. Just left click support. Now you're going to click missing credit request. So left click on that. And all this is pretty much the same. You find the offer that you completed in the drop down menu. Let's say it was the GoDaddy offer, and then the date, let's say it's February 24th, 2016. Okay. Now the confirmation, how do you find the confirmation email with your Gmail account? Well, it's pretty simple. You actually find the email. Now let's pretend this one right here says GoDaddy. Let's pretend that that's the confirmation email. Left click on that. Now what you want to do is to find the email, you want to locate the email for GoDaddy, if you will, if that was the example. And do you see over here the reply tab and then that little drop down menu that says more? You're going to hit that little drop down menu. It looks like an upside down triangle. You left click on more, come down to where it says show original, left click show original. And this is what it is, okay? Some call it a confirmation header or original. You would take all of this and you would either right click if you can, and if you can't right click and select all, just go ahead and just drag your mouse from the very top all the way down to the very bottom, like so. And then you'll right click for copy, and you'll come back and you'll paste that in there, and then you'll write a little note, and then you'll submit it. So that's how you find your header, if you will, or confirmation email using Gmail. I just showed you Yahoo. This is how you do it with Gmail, okay? You can rewind the steps back if I went too fast, okay? Or pause the video. Now, with that being said, if you want a tutorial on how to locate it, you can click the blue button that says show full header, and it'll take you here, message headers, and it'll show you how to find your header or confirmation email using Gmail, AOL, Excite Webmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, okay, as well as other clients, okay? So that's pretty much it, okay? I wanted to, again, just to give you a brief recap, I joined 2 networks when I first started. Before I started Goal, I was part of the starter program and the 80. I earned payments through PayPal, okay? And if I had any problems with one of these offers not showing up, I located the email and I found the header and I send in a missing credit request. Okay, and I completed that out and I eventually got my grade, my 1 full credit. Okay, so with that being said, thank you for tuning in to part 2 of my tutorial. If you guys need to edit anything, I'll take you on a real brief tour. Status will allow you to update your name and address. I'm sorry, the status will actually take you here. Let me click on it real quick. It'll give you your all the offers that you completed so far. It'll tell you how many referrals you've built up, how many have completed currently, and all your support tickets, messages from the back office, from the associates who work behind the scenes. So all your support tickets and stuff will be here. Profile is a place where you can go to update your password or email or name. You could change your prices from PayPal or direct check or custom order. Offers is where you would go to complete your offers. Order is where you click on to actually, once you have someone who's fully complete their 1 full credit on your link, you go here to order your money to be processed. Support is where you go to send in maybe a question to the Instant Rewards company, or You could send in a missing credit request, as I've just showed you. The FAQ gives you great information about the program. You can log out here, and then there are other networks as well. Okay. Now you'll be doing Instant Rewards Gold right here. So Starter and 80 are not necessary. You'll be doing Gold, which is an easier program, and you will earn $70 per referral. Okay. So that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. Look forward to having you on the team. All right, bye.